Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by testing the simplest parts so you don't replace what isn't broken. Try the key and thumb turn. If stiff, note whether sound or binding occurs. Next, remove the interior cover and inspect the cylinder and batteries if electronic. Once done, clear screws and parts into a tray and take photos so you remember orientation. This saves time and prevents surprises. Make sure to keep the door in its normal closed position while you inspect hardware. You now disassemble systematically. Remove the mounting screws, separate the interior and exterior plates, and slide out the cylinder. Inspect for broken cam pieces or worn tumblers. If tumblers stick, apply graphite or silicone spray and work the key. Once lubricated, check the bolt face and strike plate alignment. If misaligned, file the strike or reposition it. If parts are bent, swap and replacements match to the original measurements. This prevents recurring jams and ensures smooth operation. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, aligning the cam and bolt, then tightening screws evenly so the plates sit flush. Test the deadbolt through several full cycles. Observe binding points and loosen or tighten as necessary. Once reinstalled, adjust the strike plate incrementally until the bolt slides smoothly into place. If the lock still binds or the key grinds, try a new cylinder or consider a locksmith. That single troubleshooting step resolves hidden internal damage most times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.